Hey guys, so here's the scenario. I downloaded and installed Java 8, and that corresponds to these files, right? And then after that, I downloaded and installed Java 7. That corresponds to these files. After that, I set the environment variable for Java Home to be Java 7 because I want to use Java 7. So go to environment variables, you see Java Home, it says it's Java 7, right? But when I go to my command prompt and I do Java version, it says Java 8. So what's the deal? Well, it actually turns out that there's something else on the path that is overriding your Java home variable. So if you want to be able to swap versions of Java using the Java home variable, then you need to do this. All right. So go to your path, edit, and just get rid of this Oracle Java path thing. All right, get rid of it. Delete, and then move your Java home variable all the way up. So the order of these variables matters. So whichever one comes first, if there are multiple that correspond to the same program, such as Java, then the first one will be prioritized. So that's why we move this one all the way to the top. We could have kept the Oracle Java path, but I just decided to get rid of it. So we're going to hit OK, and OK, and OK, and open up the command prompt again. Let's type in Java version, Java 7. There we go. Okay, thanks for watching.